Hi there, welcome to CozyCal. Let me show you how to set up your availability on the team booking page through a quick example. Once you join the team booking page, you can first add your own profile picture. Click on Settings, then Account Settings. When you see the little pencil icon, click on it to add the profile picture. Click Done and save changes. You can go back to the team booking page and set your own availability. Click on Free Consultation first. We see that another team member, Meredith's availability, is already displayed on the calendar. Now click on Availability Settings. Under Scheduling, you can see settings such as event duration and booking window for this event type. Under My Availability, click on Add Availability and select Regular Office Hours. You can set your availability from Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Don't forget to save changes. When you click on the Team Availability tab, it shows who in your team have availabilities for this particular event type. We can proceed to edit intake form, confirmation page, and email notifications. But be mindful that the changes made to these settings will be reflected on the overall team booking page. Let's view the team booking page from the guest's perspective. When guests book an event on the team booking page, they have the option of scheduling an event with anyone or with a specific team member. How anyone works is that it follows a round-robin booking style. CozyCal will look at all the events that have been booked for this event type, then assign the new event to the team member with the fewest booked events. In this way, it ensures that the scheduling load is evenly distributed across the team. Also, you will notice that when you click on the arrow right next to your booking page's name here, you can create multiple booking pages. In this example, Alex can create a personal booking page with the event types that is not shared with other team members. That's CozyCal for Teams. You can start setting up your availability now. Happy scheduling!